learn the letter
J.
So Vivaan, can you show me where is the big J?
Here.
Very good. And where is the small J? Very good. Now we will learn 3 things starting from letter J.
Yes.
So the first one is
Jacket.
jacket. Where is your jacket? The next one is
Jeans.
jeans. Where
Batman jeans.
jeans.
Black jeans.
Very good. And the third thing is J for
Juice.
juice. Where is the juice? Yeah. J for juice. Now Vivaan, can you find the letter J from all the letters? Very good. We will do an activity. We will make a jellyfish. So the jellyfish is ready.